Alright, welcome to MoleHill Mining. It is 10:20. It is the 12th of March, 2021. And yeah, hopefully it's entertaining. Maybe it's educational, but it's never ever to be financial advice. So yeah. Real junk. One the say I'm a man. I'm a garbage man. You can't dig nothing. Let's look. Let's look what's going on. That other website with the crazy boxes is broken, so let's skip ahead to the top 10 list. Bitcoin's at 56.6, Ethereum's at 1.7, Binance is hanging in there at third place at 264.6. Wait, hanging in there? Did it jump up? No, it's been there. Tether's in fourth, it's been there. Cardano's in fifth, it's been there at 106. Polkadot is in sixth place at 35.97. XRP is in seventh at 44 cents. Uniswap in eighth at 32.10. Litecoin in ninth at 217.92. Chainlink in 10th at 28.25. Who's been moving? Chilla's still. It's fucking about to double at 90. Oh, bam! In front of our eyes, 103.83%. Anchor 52, Harmony 35, Reef 28, and Decentraland 20. Sushi Swap 14, that's one I recognize. I know a little about Decentraland. Whatever, let's move on. Oh, fuck, I didn't even set this up yet. That's alright. Takes 2 seconds. Okay, so, how long since we last talked? Just over 9 hours. And we see, like, almost no change straight across. But we do see like change in the predictions for the worst, at least on initial inspection. When we last talked, we were trading inside of a support cloud, which we bounced out of, that we crashed right back through, and only to find it switch to resistance on the way back up. We are trying to bounce out of it, but right in the middle of it on a downward trajectory right now. Let's go ahead and look at a more accurate, a little bit more detail on the cloud, and we can see that the conversion just crossed down of the baseline. Oh, pardon me, no, the base conversion just actually crossed up above the baseline recently. They're both trading flat, and the action's inside the cloud, so that's pretty much a wash. And then you have the lagging indicator like literally right behind everything, so this whole thing's a wash. I don't think anything means anything on there. EMAs are mostly inverted, but kind of a jumble, tight together, which means they're less reliable. And EMAs were wide actually compared to like what I would have expected, but they're closing up, so you can expect to see some movement. It's actually pretty darn unclear where it's going to go. It's a little teeter-totter looking, you know. All those indicators rolled together, if you ask me. Cointelegraph Consulting wants to know who is winning the battle of the decentralized exchanges. This question is kind of like, what decentralized exchange should you go to trade coins? You know, whoops. We can't let things keep playing or like it flags me or whatever. I forgot. The last finding. Okay. So basically, I can just sum it up in saying that the Binance Smart Chain stuff is way cheaper to trade on, but the Ethereum stuff is way more popular to trade on because it's the brand name. Uniswap, top 5 pairs through February was over 60. PancakeSwap, the average transaction was 75 cents. I mean, that's a big deal. Alright. CZ responds to reports of Binance investigation. Story has no teeth. Something. CZ dismissed the story in a live AMA on Clubhouse. What the fuck is even that? Drop in audio chat. Great. Saying the report has no teeth. Just use Discord. What the fuck is Clubhouse? CZ. This is why you're weird. So number one, there is no report of misconduct from Binance. So the report kind of defeated itself. November. But see, yeah, this is kind of bullshit, dude, because he's on record. I think I've read articles where he talks about how U.S. traders. I remember this. U.S. traders find intelligent ways to circumvent the ban. I'm fucking pretty sure I recorded myself talking about it on this very show. I can comment publicly that Binance is probably the strongest KYC/AML program. That is like the security. Know your customer. That's at least what I know that as. I'm not sure what AML is. Maybe it's like European Union stuff. Program in the industry. We do very careful, very strict, blah blah. We also use very intelligent geofencing. But like, yeah, he definitely is on record being like, oh yeah, Americans circumvent it all the time and use the .com instead of the .us. You know, so can't have your cake and eat it too, dude. I'm pretty sure he was eating cake in that article, wasn't he? Oh, whatever. I think. Oh, it's the same picture. How weird. Anyway, and then XRP, people are using it to do like international payments, international settlements, without like traditional fees. And the interesting part is Ripple is not involved, which is interesting because Ripple. I keep saying XRP is getting sued, but it's Ripple. It's the company that like made XRP, and I think the reason that even though the SEC doesn't like to hear it, I think it undermines their case because I think it kind of proves that XRP is not like stocks in Ripple. They're just a product of Ripple. They're like an ecosystem unto themselves. I think that's kind of what that's about. So, all right, that's the news. Enjoy the rest of your night, I guess, and see you in the morning.